Mario? ¿Todo bien?
Take me away.
Buenos días, Macollín. Good thing. Still not much.
Take me away.
That's all. That happens between November and late April, beginning of May.
Corre Colima de móvil operaciones con información, ahora me encuentro fuera del área operacional.
Kilometers per hour, but yeah, we're moving pretty much due south. See where we took off from?
Mm-hmm.
This is our yellow van.
Oh, yeah. Where'd it go?
Like, welcome to another world.
Yeah.
They are moving, per se, underneath us to the east, and we're actually moving that way as much as they're moving this way. But literally see the difference. Morning, guys.
Morning. Great ride. Yes, great ride so far.
Over the clouds.
No doubt. Yeah. The toll roads.
Yes.
Toll booths.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch.
Yeah, when we came back in August, all of these stations in Sonora were like closed.
That little town right there is San Joaquin, and there's an hacienda there. And a lot of these places, San Joaquin and then Buena Vista over there,
Mm-hmm.
they all used to have their own sugar mills.
Oh.
But nowadays, everybody harvests and sends to one large mill, which actually, since it's no longer in, usually in the safra, the time that they're harvesting, you can see the smokestack from over here. But right now, it's off, even lower, because you get to see a lot of deer here,
Wildlife.
Oh, cool.
wild boar, a lot of birds, little periquitos, the parrots. Yeah, and particularly, unfortunately, we scare them. Viendo en el mapa, aquí hacia donde voy, estoy prácticamente entre San Joaquín y Buenavista. No sé si hay alguna brecha que conecte entre San Joaquín y Buenavista, pero chécalo en el mapa. Yeah, dogs don't like the noise either. So that hill over there with the antennas, that's called La Cumbre, and that's where we fly paragliders from.
Oh.
There's quite an active group of paraglider pilots here in Colima. In the tropics, as opposed to up north there, air's a lot more squirrely. Flying a balloon here is a lot, you have a layer, and whereas up north, that layer will persist. It'll continue throughout the morning or whatnot. And here, as soon as the sun heats and it gets a little bit of a shadow or whatever, it just switches on you right away. I've been flying balloons for 5 years now, I believe. Started flying them in Monterrey, Mexico, actually.
I remember, yeah, there's a balloon festival up there.
Yeah. There's a few small balloon festivals in Mexico. Monterrey has had one, but really the balloon festival in Mexico is the one in Leon.
Okay.
Okay, this is an attempt at splash and dash.
No.
Just a couple meters off. Oh, how funny. Excellent attempt, Shawn.
Yeah, should have waited a little longer.
Yeah.
Down here we really, when we have something, we can, since the winds are so light, we can pretty much punch right down into it. What the hell, man? Why you scare us? Aterrizando, güey. No. Well, this is a
access road.
access road.
Okay.
And we have a field. If this one has a lock on it, there's another field. About to touch down here, guys.
Okay. Yay.
Wow.
Little bounce.
No problem.
Anybody out there, out there, out there? I think I need you to inspire me, to give me respect and integrity. So I'm taking one deep breath and pulling up a chair.